Dying for a crazy place makes you real, then I'd rather be fake where the hate stays concealed. Where it isn't the case that the brave wave the steel. Where she thinks you mean pray when you say baby kneel. When there's millions dying, how can I be worried about life? When there's billions crying, how can I be blurry with my sight? When there's children hurting, what gives me the right to say I'm nothing? When the world's pacey, how have I got the cheek to be lazy? Check the death toll, what a sick world we live in. The beautiful are bold and the dull are in prison. The young are in heaven, banished if your colouring's different. So many decent people flitting cause there's others insisting that even decent people go corrupt for a fee. Quickly open somebody up for a G. You don't get nothing for free, so if you hate it like I do, say it my way. It's a cold world, everybody's by me, running a savvy, and I'm trapped in hell with just enough knife to stab myself. Heat spinning like a carousel. They can see I do this rap hang well and that's swell, but they don't want my art to sell. I can tell, bunch of mute folk bitching all the music I've written. A composition for the ages, I refuse to be bitten. Live so skint that I'm collecting thoughts. You best believe I'm swinging punches with these words, no just connecting dots. Anarchies are set but pleasantries get exchanged. The sheepish meet the shepherd and appearances change. If I don't keep my cell away they might run scared. What doesn't kill me only makes me hate this life much more. I believe there's nothing to believe in. Reproductor when he waste my semen. I don't rate this world, fuck its state of leaving. With repetition I'm fishing and wishing wells. This is hell, I'm stuck in an invisible prison cell. In this cold world, we don't see with our eyes. In this cold world, we don't think with our brains. In this cold world, we don't think of the wains. In this cold world. In this cold world, we don't see with our eyes. In this cold world, we don't think with our brains. In this cold world, we don't think of the wains. In this cold world, it's too much for me. For the blood to the smoke, for the lust to the jealousy, for the guns to the coke, for the junked homeless folk up for months with a boat, to the thugs patrolling roads with drugs in their soul. In a world of parents scheme their wains love that don't last, saying stupid things like you're not old enough to smoke hash. I've hit the grave bottom, veins popping like train spotting, or the wains watching sing along to my hate bottom. I'd lead the rhythm, I'd swim in 7 seas, I'd cut every tie I've got just for a chance to live in peace. Now breathe, don't let it get like that. Right, left, life, death, man, it's all the one. If you can sing, if you can't act like you don't want to, then be ratty with the pack, cause nobody asked you to the party, it's mental. Just get into the mud and wrestle. I've seen the world and it's nothing special. I live alone and I'll die alone. Fly alone, sitting by the phone, writing rhymes to the dial tone. Got one eye on the activity surrounding my vicinity, accepting it like being 70 with your virginity. The other eye doesn't want to look, it's too scared, cause it knows what's going on out there, and who cares except me. I swear I want to hit the eject seat. Protect G's, that'll be the day I'm elected. It's vicious in this plane of existence, don't try and hide it for the children. Entertainment's got them played in an instance. I just say the words, they can hear the drum beat, cause they're living on Junk Street. The scum elite, hard living and living's hard. Need to outsmart the prison guard. If you make it through the stiffest of bars, I'm blowing smoke with folk who're so broke they've stole rubble. I've been known to make a moat out of puddle. In this cold world, in this cold world, we don't see with our eyes. In this cold world, we don't think with our brains. In this cold world, we don't think of the wains. In this cold world. In this cold world, we don't see with our eyes. In this cold world, we don't think with our brains. In this cold world, we don't think of the wains. In this cold world.